Dogecoin cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here will explicitly give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Dogecoin, Doge in a significant way. The Dogecoin essentially has rapidly commonly acquired fundamentally incredible consideration that crypto financial backers generally are interested and looking through the inquiries, like for the most part is Dogecoin, Doge an essentially wise venture. Is Doge worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they in every way that really matters thought. What will especially be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030, which explicitly is very critical. How extremely high could Dogecoin at any point go? Our aid will in a real sense provide you with a thought of the Dogecoin expected development and its cost expectation, all from kind of profound specialized examination to central pretty past cost outlines in a significant manner. Dogecoin by and large past value examination, which is genuinely huge. As per the especially the most recent market information, today the cost of Dogecoin, Doge in a real sense is $0.066 and Doge truly is as of now generally position number 9 in the kind of whole crypto market. The course supply of Doge sort of is 132,670,764,300 with a market cap of $8,786,258,929 and especially most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogecoin's cost especially has shown in every way that really matters. Great increment of 2.04% as of now in a significant manner. Dogecoin in every practical sense is as yet confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins on the lookout. The Doge fundamentally is down to nearly 12.23% over the most recent 7 days, which is genuinely critical. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for genuinely past in every practical sense, scarcely any days. The coin could sort of have kind of solid essentials at the same time. We don't generally feel that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Doge has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, taking out an incredible fundamentally normal cost of $0.016 from its truly current value, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected certainly descending development implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time. And it can for the most part be a decent sort of purchase, a potential open door for sort of speedy interest in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 26.65%, and the cost commonly circled from a base essentially normal worth of $0.087 to greatest genuinely normal worth of $0.095 in the beyond 90 days, which is very huge. Dogecoin is somewhere near 24.77% with the greatest typical cost of the coin certainly was around $0.091 and the base typical cost of basically was around $0.083 in sort of beyond 4 months. Dogecoin value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We for the most part anticipate future Doge cost expectations Dogecoin estimates by applying profound fake learning specialized investigation on the authentic value information of Dogecoin. We do our especially awesome to gather really greatest authentic information for the Dogecoin, which generally incorporate commonly various variables, like in every practical sense, past value, market cap, volume, and for the most part more. In the event that you are looking to really put resources into cryptographic money market, try to peruse our expectations in a real sense. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023 as per our figure, in 2023, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at a kind of least value level of $0.063. The Doge cost can sort of arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.072, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.070. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation for 2024, according to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Dogecoin is especially anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.094 in a genuinely significant manner. The Doge cost can explicitly arrive at a very most extreme degree of 12 cents. With the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $0.097. Dogecoin value figure 2025-2026. the cost of Dogecoin explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to basically reach at a kind of least degree of 13 cents in 2025 in a significant manner. The Dogecoin cost can in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest degree of 16 cents, with the kind of typical cost of 13 cents. All through 2025, the cost of Dogecoin really is somewhat anticipated to sort of reach at a very least degree of 19 cents in 2026. The Dogecoin cost can in a real sense arrive at a really most extreme degree of 22 cents, with the typical cost of 19 cents. All through 2026, Doge value expectation for 2027 Dogecoin cost especially is estimate to arrive at a sort of the most reduced degree of 26 cents in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could generally arrive at a most extreme degree of 32 cents, with the kind of typical conjecture cost of 27 cents. Doge value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Doge, in 2028, the cost of Dogecoin by and large is gauged to be at around a base worth of 40 cents. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of 47 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 41 cents in United States dollars. Dogecoin value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Dogecoin, Doge, is supposed to especially reach at a genuinely least degree of 56 cents in 2029, in a sort of significant manner. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 0.67, with the typical cost of 58 cents all through 2029, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin value expectation conjecture for 2030. According to the figure in profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to sort of reach at a sort of least value worth of 79 cents. The Doge cost can arrive at a really greatest value worth of 98 cents, with the typical worth of 82 cents in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation for 2031. The cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to reach at any rate worth of $1.15 in 2031. The Dogecoin cost could sort of arrive at a really most extreme worth of $1.39, with the typical exchanging cost of $1.18, all through 2031. Dogecoin value expectation for 2032. Dogecoin cost really is gauged to essentially arrive at a most reduced in every practical sense conceivable degree of $1.74 in 2032, which especially is very huge. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at an especially greatest conceivable degree of $2.03, with the typical conjecture cost of $1.79. What basically is the Dogecoin cost today in a kind of large manner? Today the cost of Dogecoin, Doge, especially is 0.066, with the market cap of 8,786,258,929.000. Amazingly, what will be the Doge barely the most noteworthy anticipated cost for 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The most elevated gauge cost for Doge is supposed to especially arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.072 toward the finish of 2023 in